The news in detail. Campaigning in poll-bound Karnataka has gained momentum, with Prime Minister Narendra Modi holding a 26-kilometer-long mega roadshow in Bengaluru today. The rally drew a large gathering throughout the route. The Bengaluru members of Parliament P.C. Mohan and Tejaswi Surya accompanied the Prime Minister. It started from Someshwara Sabha Bhavan in JP Nagar at 10 a.m. and reached Gokak Movement Park in Malleshwaram in the afternoon. The Karnataka Assembly Elections will be held in a single phase on May 10th, with a counting of votes scheduled on May 13th. Speaking at a rally, Modi said on Saturday that BJP's double-engine government has been working on bringing in development without discrimination.
नहीं छोड़ेगी, वो एपीजमेंट, तुष्टीकरण, तालाबंदी और गाली को ही चुनावी मुद्दा बनाएगी। तुष्टीकरण अपनी वोट बैंक का, तालाबंदी बीजेपी सरकार की गरीब कल्याण की योजनाओं को बंद करना, गाली ओबीसी समाज को गाली, लिंगायत समुदाय को गाली, और जब इनसे भी जीना भरे तो मोदी को गाली। कांग्रेस की इस कूटनीति से पूरा कर्नाटका नाराज है।
The Meghalaya government has begun evacuating students of the